Namaste students, hope you are happy and healthy. As you all know, because of COVID-19, this year school is conducting student council election through online method. In this video, I will give you a demonstration how you can cast your vote using Google Form. So let's get started. Your first step will be to open up your WhatsApp, because tomorrow onwards you will receive a Google Form link from where you can cast your vote. So as on the screen you can see, this is the Google Form link that you are going to receive tomorrow. Just click on that link and it will open up this Google Form into your web browser. So if you are using a mobile, it will open up this Google Form into your mobile web browser. So as on the screen, this is the official Google Form for student council election for casting your vote. Just type in here, you can see student name / teacher name. If you are a teacher, write your teacher's name. If you are a student, write your student name here. So I am writing a demo student. You have to write your own name here. And next option is for student admission number. So that is only for students. So I'm writing a demo number here. And after that, click on next. And here students, you can see that it has 8 pages. So this is the first page. And for second page, you have to click on next button. When you click on the next button, you will see the first category of participants, and that is head boy. So here in the option you can see 3 participants are contesting for head boy position. Whoever you think that is deserving candidate, just select that candidate, and I'm just selecting this one, and you can choose anyone, any participant which you think is deserving one. So after selecting the participant, you can see it is highlighted, and after that just click on next button, and you cannot select more than one participant. So if you are selecting this one, you can only select this one. So after that, just click on next button and it will take you to the third page of this Google Form. And next category is for head girl. So here you can see all the options for various participants that are testing for head girl position. So select anyone which you think is deserving one, and I'm just selecting randomly. So I select this one, and after that just click on next button. And next category is for sports captain, and you can see all the options here. So casting your vote online is pretty simple. All you have to do is to just select the option, select the participant which you want to cast your vote. So I'm selecting this one, and after that click on next. And this next category is for disciplinary captain. So here are all the options. So selecting anyone randomly here. So just click on next, and at the bottom you can see the progress bar, how much you have progressed till now. So 6 pages out of 8. And here this is the category for cultural secretary. So I'm selecting this one, and after that clicking on next button. And next category is for social awareness captain. So these are the 3 options for social awareness. So selecting this one. And students, I'm just selecting randomly. You can choose any participant which you think is deserving one. After that, click on next button, and this is the last button here. As you can see, the submit button here. So this is the last category for participants, that is literary captain. So I'm selecting this one, and after that click on submit button. And be very careful while you are selecting your participants, because you will only get one chance to cast your vote. If you try to cast your vote in another attempt, your vote will be disqualified. So make sure you select all the options correctly in one go. After selecting all the options, just click on submit button and it will cast your vote. So here on the screen you can see, congratulations, your vote has been cast. So that is all for how to cast your student council election vote 2021. Thanks a lot.